The new 2024 Ram TRX Hennessey Mammoth is on the way. The official Ram TRX comes with a potent 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine. This powertrain is capable of producing 702 horsepower and 650 lb-ft of torque. The power could increase in the future, but not drastically. On the other hand, the Hennessey Mammoth version brings even more power using the same engine. This truck also adds a 2.65-liter supercharged. The 2024 Ram TRX Hennessey Mammoth wears the Stage 2 off-road package, which includes unique bumpers, LED headlights, 37-inch off-road tires, and updated electronics. It is 78-inch wide and almost 7 feet tall. Furthermore, this version is exactly 283-inch long, with such a scary presence and incredible power. This impressive truck is one of the sportiest and scariest model you can buy. It is also the fastest truck in the world right now. It is basically a modified Ram 1500. The Ram 1500 TRX comes with a 6.2-liter V8 supercharged engine, producing over 700 horsepower.